Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we are the second Tuesday of the month of April 2025, and that means we are at Patch Tuesday. For Windows, that's security updates that are mandatory. They are there to keep you safe. So for Windows 10, we have Patch Tuesday that comes through a update. If we look at the update history here, the update is KB 5055518, and this is of course the cumulative update for security that is for Windows 10. We'll have of course a rundown on a separate video of all the security updates this month for every version of Windows and every products and services of Microsoft, see how big it is. Of course, to stay safe, you have to install these. If you have not installed the bug fixing updates for the month of March, they will be installing at the same time today with your system. So KB 5055518 is the number, and this will bring your Windows version to, if you go to WinVer, Windows 10 19045 at 5737.5737, and don't be surprised, there might be another update that shows up. I had a second update which was its own little security update, and what it was is the famous Windows recovery update that bugged everybody a year and a half ago. Has an update this time around, possibly for you. So it's possible that it appears and that it's there when you also check for updates. If it's not, it's fine. It doesn't matter. So that's where it is. And of course, we'll be checking what's in here in more detail on a separate video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.